Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's a beautiful Wednesday, December the 16th, second day of the lockdown. We have here a binary puzzle. Yes, a binary puzzle. And this one will be a number 2023. All right. Let me see what kind of binary puzzle is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. And double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Yeah, between 2 O's comes in 1. Then between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O. Oh, we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then. Let me see. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here or there, that means that the rest are 1s. Then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed. So here cannot be an O. The O should be in one of these 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Alright. Now we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in a 1. 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Then 1 2 3 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 1 2 3 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. Can I compare the rows? No. Well. No, not the same. Alright. So we need to compare the columns. Yes, this one. And the last one. Empty box. 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Yes. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. Sudoku. I like this one. Like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. See you later. Bye bye for now.